Hi, this is Brian of Boys Love and Pageantry, and we are here right now with Mr. Grand Batangas. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Joshua Divenzer Bragas, 22 years old, and I am proudly representing Batangas Province.
All right, and what's your height?
My height is 5'9".
Okay, paano ka naging representative ng Batangas? Regional search ba o nagpa-screen ka?
Bale, nagpa-screen po ako sa Manila that time, last 2 months ago or something like that.
All right, and gaano katagal after the screening mo nalaman na official candidate ka na?
I think kasama po ako sa first batch na in-announce na maging official candidate ng highly anticipated pageant in the Philippines, which is the Mr. Grand Philippines.
Ano yung reaction mo nung binalita sa'yo na official candidate ka na? At sino yung una mong pinagsabihan?
For me po is napakasaya ko po, and it would be an honor to be part of Mr. Grand Philippines, and especially representing my beloved province, which is Batangas or Batangas.
Alright, so last question, alam kong pagod ka na. Kung mabibigyan ka na chance na masalubong yung younger version mo, let's say 15 years old na ikaw, ano kaya sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Para sa akin po is kung makakasalubong ko po or mabigyan niya ako ng chance, gusto ko pong ah, gabayan siya or bigyan siya ng advice kung ano yung mga dapat niyang gawin upang hindi ko po mabalikan yung aking mga pagkakamali or hindi ko magawa sa pagtagal ng panahon. Yun po.
Alright, thank you so much and enjoy your pageant journey.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.